Hi everyone, this is Hareesha from H&B Premier Tax and Accounting LLC. Today I want to bring this special message to everyone to wish everybody a happy holiday and a happy new year. 2020 was a very tough year for all of us. It wasn't easy. But during this tough time, I always remember one thing. Thou shalt pass. Any tough situation will not last forever, but tough people will. So this was the year that taught us to get tougher and be ready to handle anything that life throws our way. During this holiday season, always focus what you could do and help one another. Keep your hopes up. Hope is the most powerful thing in this world. And again, I wish everyone happy holidays and a happy new year.